Hey guys, welcome to How to Linux channel. I'm gonna show you how to install Arch Linux. Let's go. Yeah, first of all, I'm using VirtualBox Manager. If you want, please first try on this. If you stuck on the primary computer, it's a little bit problem for you. All right, just we select this first line, install medium. Yeah, loading. You need a little bit waits for the loading screen. You need to type here Arch Linux, Linux Arch installer. I'm sorry. At loading packages and new version available. It's not problem. Just go. If you using old ISO file, it's not problem. Select your language. I'm using English. Locals, it's your cabled layouts like US English or UK English. You can select anyone. Local encoding, do not touch this because UTF-8, it's okay every language. It's okay. Let's back mirror and repositories. Select region. Yeah, you can select your region, original region. If you want to select multiple selection like tab, but don't do this here because you need to select one region here. Like I'm in Turkey, like this, and enter. Yeah, don't touch this because this is the server optionals. Multilib, it's or okay for us. Custom repository, I'm not touch this. This configuration, partitioning, and select best effort defaults partition layout. It's okay. Probably you see more than this because I'm using VirtualBox in here. I'm using 35 gigabytes. Select this. I'm using X4. It's probably best one. X4 file system. It's working all right. You can use this. Partitioning, it's all right. Disk encryption, you can do this, but I'm not gonna do this because I'm VirtualBox on VirtualBox. I'm using grub. Hostname, it's your hostname. Arch Linux is okay. Root passwords, yeah, Arch Linux, Arch Linux, Arch Linux, Linux. All right. User accounts. You need to add one account like admin. All right. Let's Linux. How to Linux and password. Arch Linux. Arch Linux. All right. Should how to Linux be a supervisor? Yes, we want this because this is the admin user. Yeah, confirm and exit. Don't press the escape. All right. Profile. You can select desktop because this is the desktop. You can select GNOME or Hyperland or KDE Plasma or I don't know XFCE for it's your opinion. Just select one. I'm selected GNOME. This is the graphics. All right. If you're using AMD, select this one or open kernel. It's okay for the NVIDIA drivers. You can use that. I had escape. Like, do not touch this. It's all right for the first installation. Let's back audio. I'm using Pipewire. It's really working good. I'm using Pipewire. It's the probably less updated system in for audio. Yeah, kernel. It's Linux. You can use also LTS or Xen. All right, network configuration. Yeah, this is the important one. Use network manager. It's if you're using like plug in your network cable, it's you can select this one or you can configuration manual. Additional packages, you can use that one Maybe like you wanna install, I don't know, Firefox or something else. Let's install Firefox together. Yeah, I find this. You can use also you can use tab for multiple selection. I installed just this one. You can select time zone. I'm in Turkey, but not this one because Turkey is big country. I'm in Istanbul, like Europe. Istanbul, yeah. Select like this. Do not touch this. Yep, we are ready. Just install that. Just you need to wait probably 10 minutes. I forget something. If you install on primary computer, you can use Baleni Etcher. You can select this one or URL, but I'm recommended this one. Like select your ISO file, like Arch Linux, and select your USB driver, like this, and select one and flash. That's it. And you can plug in your USB, and after that you can install like this. Yeah, installation is completed. Reboot the system. Yeah, boot existing OS like Arch Linux or Arch Linux. How to spell it, I don't know. Probably Arch Linux. Arch Linux can't running OS. Why? Because we haven't display manager now. What we do, like root, not that, so sorry, sudo root, just go to root and pacman s gnome, like install the gnome. All right, just install it. I'm using KDA, but I'm going to show you different one like gnome. You want to install KDA Plasma or Wayland or something else. This is optional. I'm gonna recommend one channel like Type Craft. This guy is really detailed installed Arch Linux. This guy's explain more and more. Yeah, we install that and shut down. All right, we exit that. Shut down. Sorry, shut down. All right. Um. Now, yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, I close the Arch Linux and start again. Boot existing OS, Arch Linux. Yeah, we see again this black screen. Yeah, this is the actually your login screen. How to Linux and your password. Arch Linux. We need to start system CTL in here. Like start GDM like service. And your password? What's that? Yeah, I forget that. All right. Yeah, we install that. Yeah, you can see everything is okay. And software app like App Store. Yeah, it's ready to use for GNOME Arch Linux. It's like just try it. Yeah, working good. Yeah, guys, it's looking good. Working everything is working well. You can change anything here, like wallpapers. I don't know, um, dark one, or you can change anything here. Multitasking. Yeah, it's working good. And we are not getting errors, like big errors, I mean. Yeah, we're gonna restart it. Not install, just plug out your USB. Yep, Arch Linux. Yeah, open again. Um, Arch Linux. Yeah, working good. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to ask something, please ask me. I'm gonna show the how to do that or how to install the OS. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. See you soon, guys.